Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark only the third page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove watermark only from the third page. Go to the second page. Then go to Layout menu, click Breaks drop down menu. Choose Continuous. Then go to the third page and apply the same process. Then go back the Insert menu, click Header option, then choose Blank Header. Then click Link to Previous. Then click the watermark text and delete it. Then delete the type text. Then close header and footer. Then we can see we remove the watermark from the third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.